Hi, good evening everyone. Today I'm visit the Shaheed Smart Kshetraগ. This is Assam. This park have been in Assam. I'm an Assamese person, but I'm making English learning video. That's why today I'm making in English speaking videos. I feel very good because this is in Assam. I give thanks the Assamese CM. He's a lot of grow or Assam. Now I'll enter the Shaheed Smart Kshetraগ. This is the main gate. You can see, and I feel very good because this place nearby I'm working, but I cannot enter. 21 days ago, I'm working here from just 5 minutes, 1 kilometer distance. I'm working, but I cannot enter this park. This is the main gate. A lot of person visit this place. I'm coming here. Just I'm only single come here. And this is a pond here, beautiful. And this is the main gate place. And that is the main Kshetraগ Minar Dome. I feel very good this place, and I hope I will come here every year 2 times in this place. At night today I'm making videos because today I cannot manage time. Just I feel a lot of I'm very interested to visit this place. I will come here. This place from my house, uh, 100 kilometer maybe, but I'm stay this place from 20 kilometer distance from here. I'm working here. So how much I can English speaking about this properly? I cannot English speaking because very quickly I come here. Very soon I'm making this video because I have to back my room in this night, and I'm teaching English speaking with Assamese language, but I'm not used to the Assamese. Someone no feel bad about me because I have not no time, and that's why I cannot making in Assamese language. But other time I will come here. At that time I will making Assamese video about this park. You can see this is park. That place uh, down under have a house type. Some person meditation here there. I will go now there. I do sometime meditation. So if you like my videos, please subscribe my YouTube channel Rabin t.s.r, and you are watching my videos from Facebook page. Please follow and like and share, and please support me. I'm teaching English speaking with Assamese language. Only I'm teaching English speaking in this time, but I will teach a lot of subject, academic, um, English speaking grammar, literature grammar, how to reading, how to student. I will make something motivational video. Uh, Very good. I want to say thanks our CM Assam CM Dr. Hemant Biswa Sharma. He is doing a lot of good work here. He is properly management our Assam. In this time, off the light. This room, this house. That is the main part. This place. Now I'll visit. Now I'm visiting here. In this place, have some flower plants, but not growing. Some person visit this place.